What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Mod Lab. Today we're going to be meeting up with another car YouTuber, I guess you could say, and I'm super excited for that. First, I gotta get the Corvette and I gotta go pick up my buddy. Super excited for today. It should be a ton of fun. Can't wait. Alright, I got the Corvette out, but before we go, let me show you this cold start. This button off. Alright, about to head out, go pick up my buddy. So guys, today we are out here with Thomas Savage from Savage Exotics YouTube. If you haven't looked at his channel yet, you should go there, go subscribe. He's got awesome content, and he also has a yellow Mercedes.
Down on every single one of my videos. I love you. Because you know what? It's not even like, why? They take time out of their day to go on every single one of my videos just to dislike it. Thank you for the watch time. I really,
He loves you.
Alright, so we're going to get the cameras all set up, we're going to get ready, and we're going to take the GLA out, and I'm going to show him what it's all about. And then, after that, he's going to show me what the vet is all about, and then we're going to both see which one each other likes more.
Oh, that's obvious.
Dude, I'm going to convince you to buy a 45 today. I'm going to convince you.
You know, I might have to get rid of it. Maybe I'll get rid of it.
Dude, you know what? I'll tell you something. Before I bought this car, I made a YouTube video of me buying this car. Prior to me purchasing this car, I actually checked out a Grand Sport Corvette. It was just like this, but it was black. But I ended up not going with it.
Maybe you get one.
Hopefully, it's really one of those vehicles that I've always thought about. And you know what? My grandpa is incredibly into Corvettes, and I've grown up around, Corvettes and older Corvettes, and really just, I don't know what it is about them, man. They just, I don't know. I think it's just the mixture of having such a small car and so much power, and having so much that you can be able to do to it as well. I mean, there's unlimited options. Modifying.
You just gotta wait. You just gotta wait a little bit until you have like a midlife crisis, and you'll be good.
Yeah. So I was gonna ask you, where's the Skechers and?
I left them at home. I just got Vans on today.
Yeah, you're missing the jean shorts too.
Yeah, I'll have to wear them next video.
Skechers and jean shorts for the next video, guys, for sure.
This is Thomas Savage's Mercedes. It is wrapped yellow.
You know what? People don't think that my name is actually Savage. They think I'm playing. They think I'm just saying my name is Savage. It's actually my last name.
But he's actually a Savage.
It's literally my last name.
That's actually a pretty sweet last name. I wish my last name was Savage. Even got the hood wrapped.
I like how you cleaned your car, but the detailer's car came up dirty.
Got the hood wrapped. Carbon fiber. Dude, it's not even clean, honestly. It really isn't.
What, your car or my car?
My car. It's not even
my
that
car's
clean.
a mess. Your car looks clean.
Yeah, well, that's just a Corvette, because like Corvettes, they just kind of look clean, but
he's like, Corvette flexing on me now.
If you get
Corvette flexing on me.
If you get close up, you can kind of see all the Oh, the dirt.
We don't talk about that.
No, we don't. Luckily, it's not a black car or a white car.
Oh, dude.
So.
You know my car's black under the wrap, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Don't even get me started on the crappy black Mercedes paint, alright? You know what? No. And this is why I wrapped it, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mercedes.
Jesus.
It's definitely a vocal little four-cylinder.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna be this fast. How much horsepower you said it made?
331 to the wheels with 375 torque.
This thing is not a sleeper. Well, I mean, it is a sleeper, but it's fast.
Yeah, I get scared driving it.
You think you're ever gonna like make it even faster?
Yeah, I really want to go stage 3 with a big turbo, pure 550 turbo with bigger intercooler, bigger fuel pump, and a bigger intake.
Yeah, I would definitely do that. 100%.
Got new plugs that I'm going to be putting in soon. They're different plugs than I got in now, so I'm hoping that it'll make a little tiny bit of a difference. So we'll see how that goes. I know these plugs are starting to get old with like 15,000 miles on them. I like to replace them early.
Yeah.
And just make sure that the maintenance is all taken care of. And
have you ever done like a draggy? Used like
I have actually. I'm going to be uploading a few videos.
Oh, you got one right here.
Yeah, sitting right there. Here.
He's got one right here. I brought mine with.
Alright. Don't text and drive, kids.
No. We're not driving right now.
Now we're perfectly stopped.
It's a green screen behind us, actually.
Yeah,
like,
this is
We're not even. This is not even real what you're seeing. So.
Gosh, I need a drink.
Yeah,
you can just use mine.
Maybe I'll want my own.
Fine.
Wow, it's like that.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna keep going a few more stoplights because I want to launch it for you guys.
Is it all-wheel drive?
Yep.
Oh man. So how fast do you think it goes in the quarter?
I just did it last night. It said 12.4. So I mean that's like stock numbers. So I'm trying to see if when it gets warmer out, if I can get a better quarter mile time.
Improving his quarter mile time.
Trying to at least.
Have you ever been to like Rock Falls or anything like that? Like a
No,
a
I've
drag
been
strip?
up to Brainerd, but not in this car.
Oh.
Nope, I don't. Nope, I've never taken any of my cars up to Brainerd. I've always just gone with other people.
You should go to Power Cruise this year.
Yes, definitely want to go to Power Cruise this year.
You have to.
That's definitely
Like,
something I'm interested in doing, so I can give you the gap.
I don't know about that. I don't know about all that, but I mean maybe off the lines. This is all-wheel drive.
Oh, we'll see. We'll see. It's a very curvy track.
And I mean, if we're gonna do it from a stop, then might as well wait till I get my drag radials, so make it fair. I put like my upgraded clutch in. And...
No. No. No, that's not how this works.
I think that would be fair. I think that would be dead fair. I mean,
and I gotta go stage 3 big turbo.
I mean, I already lost to an RC car, so.
An RC car?
Yeah. Yeah, my last video. It was uploaded today. I raced.
I haven't seen that one yet.
Yeah, it was me racing Jordan's RC car. He's got like a super fast electric car.
Yeah.
Here we go. Jesus.
Travis decided he is gonna take me in the Corvette now. So you have to ensure that my life is secure.
Have you ever ridden in one?
I told you I tested out a Corvette.
Yeah, but that was a Grand Sport.
So what's the difference?
You see the thing on the side right here?
Okay. Okay. All right.
All right, here we go.
Oh, we're gonna die.
So it's cammed. It's got a V3 camshaft. The cylinder heads have been fixed and they're ported. It's got a cold air intake, Cooks, or actually American Racing long tube headers. I said Cooks because the Trailblazer has Cooks. I have a McLeod RXT twin disc clutch at home for it because I want to go faster in it at the drag strip, but I can't do that on the stock clutch that I'm on right now. So that's the next project for it. I just need to have the space and the right tools, I guess you could say, to work on it, because the lift I have in my house is just a drive-on lift. It's a 4-post, not a 2-post, and I'm thinking we're probably going to need a 2-post to be able to do the clutch, because you got to pull the bellow housing and the torque tube and all that. So yeah. Driving a stick. I don't know, I think I would get you, man.
Thomas can't drive a manual. If you guys don't know this, I can't drive manual.
Well, maybe I'll have to teach you.
I'm gonna.
Alright guys, so there you have it. Today we hung out with the Savage Boy, Savage Monster, whatever you want your nickname to be. Thomas Savage, Savage Exotics. Go check it out. If you haven't seen it already, you should go look at it.
Yeah, go look at it. And
subscribe to his channel.
You know what? You know what? Buy some merch too.
Yeah, buy some merch.
You know, because if you don't buy merch, me and him can't make videos like this and do burbity properties anymore.
Yeah, it's too expensive, so.
Man, so. And he's getting a shirt too soon.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I already got it on order.
Oh!
I'm kidding. I haven't ordered it yet. But make sure you subscribe to his channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like, share, show everybody. We're going to be doing this more in the future. But for now, peace.
He came up randomly while we were here. And he's like complimenting us on our channel. I didn't believe him that he watched our channel. I told him, pull it up on your phone right now. What do we got? Can I scroll?
Yeah, go ahead, bro.
He was watching my channel. I see at least one video. Where's up. Okay, it was one video.
I watch them all from different devices.
It's okay. It's okay. You know what? I appreciate you. I really do.
You guys have a good blessed day,
man. Yeah, you too, man. That was